Hello, my name is Michael Tedesco and I'll be showing you my brand new Lego subway car. My first one I built was like kind of like this small, and I was thinking to myself, hey, why not make a longer one? Which of course I did. It's the same. It looks exactly like the Wizards of Waverly Place. Well, first it was a Wizards of Waverly Place, but it was all in different colors. And I was thinking to myself again, hey, why not make it look the same like Wizards of Waverly Place's subway car, which is from their restaurant from Waverly Substation. But for this subway car that I built, it doesn't have a sign that says Waverly Substation. But I still kept the sign. So now let's get on to the actual thing. As you can see, this is the subway car that I built. See? See the front and then back. It has green people on top. See that? Okay. See? Yeah. See? And it does look like the Waverly substation car because look at the color. And looks very cool. One of these days I gotta get one of those animation programs for my videos so that way I can make it really have bigger going on. So, yeah. And on Wednesday I went to Philadelphia, but you guys will probably care. But actually, Philadelphia was actually kind of fun. We actually went to a pretzel factory. The first day was so much fun. My friend Davey got one of those. I'll tell you what, actually, never mind. Yeah, that was good. It was pretty fun. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. And, I hope you guys comment on this video too. And check out all my other videos too. Thank you and have a nice day.